The teardown community has taken the work. No, that's what the oh my goodness. The teardown community yet again took over the workshop, presenting the Mega Flambeau warehouse and office made by Lelang Flamer. He is playing teardown, so that means it's perfect. It's perfect. It's pretty laggy. My poor PC. Frogge Coca-Cola is not sponsored. Haha. I have no money. This is a pretty good office, but let's see if I have the dash on. Alright, getting back to the exploration. It said furniture. There's no furniture. Yeah, pretty destructible. I mean, just tear down. Shit! Ah! My ears! Where's the off button? Speaker! No! Ah! I'm too low! I do this is ladies. Oh, there's no bathroom, okay. Stop! I don't want to do it. Shut up! No! No! Nah! My ears! Stop! Do this annoying. Ah! No! Which one do I want? Just a time. Oh, so I don't know. Maybe the black. No, daytime. I take it safe. What is it here? I don't understand the sense of this door. Never mind. What the? Wait, if there's water, that means brick. No! No! Can I burn the whole thing? Truck! 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 Help! What the? I need to stop making these weird sounds. Another water. Where are the fish? Caught a fish. It's like fishing in Croatia. You find it just in 10 seconds. You get everything. Oh, I want the blackfish. Where's the salmon? I love salmon, so that's why I'm gonna cook it. add some like leaves. And now we're okay. Where was the fire thing? Oh, this is a wrangler from my last video, but it just didn't work. Blow. Oh, this is cool. I played Team Fortress in the past. It's pretty good. Meep. No! Right, never mind. Let's just no, not the drone! Get it out! No! Destroy my problem. Alright. That was professional. Where's the lighter mods? It's your child. Eesh. I'm just stupid. I can. Oh, here it is. Right, and now professional fireflies. Now we need to just get away. Throw that in the water. Wait! I want to do something. I want to see something. What happens? You have the wrangler, and I place the sentry. What was it? Place the sentry in water. I wonder what happens. Alright, stop controlling, and I cannot pick it up. Unfortunately. Come on! Or I can place it in the water. Yeah, it's still cooking. What happens if I shoot myself? Oh, it bounced. Made by talented men and no, come on, people are not nice to him. Hey, thank you so much. Alright, I finished that spawnable. Enjoy. Just a high frequency blade, it's really cool mod. Oh my goodness! It's heavy! It's heavy from Team Fortress 2! Yeah! Well, that's not a good sign for the best vehicle in the game. No, it's not bad. But it's not. This is not the every vehicle from the game. Right, let's test. Oh, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. Yeah! Well, apparently cars aren't the best at surviving. But the super it. No, the truck is burning. We need to get the truck into water. It is burning. Quick. Oof, it was close. It was close. Real close. We have a tractor. Why? I don't know why, but the lights are purple. We got the Fury. Oh, and I forgot about boats. Get out of the way, speedboat. There's no yacht. Where's the yacht? I'm disappointed. 1 star. Maybe it's not that. That was dang perfect. That was perfect. Why is the van doing here? That was because my uncle was here and he just kidnapped some kids. Meep, meep. Oh no, I sleep. Wee.